Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can duplicate the event or task that you got in Google Calendar. So let's start. So I got like this, I don't know, evening movie, or don't forget keys, or like this one here, do laundry. And what I'm going to do, I'll just click here, edit task, or like, I don't know, this one, evening movie, edit event, more actions, and duplicate, right? Save, and voila, now I can just simply move it where I wanted to move it. So that's pretty much it, and not so much like to talk about here. More actions and duplicate. So this is how you do it, and it's like pretty simple. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.